Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of blending with the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, a professional-grade powerhouse with a 48-ounce container in sleek black. This versatile blender features 10 variable speeds, allowing you to achieve culinary precision from the smoothest purées to the heartiest soups, while the Pulse feature lets you layer coarse chops over smooth purées for recipes like chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. Perfect for medium batches, the 48-ounce container is ideal for small family meals, and with cutting blades measuring 3 inches in diameter, you can expect a consistent blend every time. The aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle even the toughest ingredients, ensuring quality results from the first blend to the last. With a cord length of 4.5 feet, this blender is both powerful and convenient, and its self-cleaning feature means that with just a drop of dish soap and warm water, your Vitamix can clean itself in 30 to 60 seconds. Included in the box are a motor base, 48 ounces, container, mini tamper, and a cookbook, all designed with a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system to ensure durability and performance. Thanks for joining us to explore the Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender, a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast looking to elevate their culinary creations. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.